Good day everyone, this is On-Chain Mode, and here is just a quick video to let you know that OK Trading is really paying people. This is us in the community group benefiting from this OK Trading wonders that it is shown. This has been paying ever since I dropped the group link, the link to our discussion group. That was last 2 months ago. This has been paying. You can see testimonials of people that are withdrawing right here. Not only this, let me just go down to the latest testimonial, to the latest person that withdrew, and just show you a quick one that OK Trading is paying. So this is latest withdrawal, 21st of this person withdrawn the 21st of June. Let's check the date. Let's check today's date. So today's date is what, 21st of June. That was just today that another person withdrawing. That is how they've been withdrawing over and over again. This person withdrew just 30 USDT. So OK Trading is just basically, is very simple if you follow the simple rules that I dropped in my videos. For some of you that don't understand how I trade using the OK Trading platform in the video that I dropped last month, now I'm going to explain how to trade using the 5-minute signal in this video. So pay close attention and do the needful. If you can follow this video and do what I am telling you right here in this video, you are going to be earning. You are going to be earning as well. You are going to be earning as well. All right. So just take your time, watch the video, make your deposit is from 5 USDT above. Then follow the signals dropped in their official Telegram group. Once you follow their signals dropped in the Telegram group, you can be making a whole lot from this. All right, can be making a whole lot from this OK Trading platform. So for those of you that don't understand my first video, just follow this particular video right here, and in case along the line you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section and I'll explain as much as possible. Or you can ask your question on our Telegram group. This is our Telegram group. I'll be dropping the link at the video description. So without further ado, let's get started. So for you to profit from the OKX trading platform, you have to use the 5-minute signal channel. The 5-minute Telegram signal channel happened to be one of the most accurate channel, and that is a channel that I've been using. So I think that you should as well use the 5-minute signal channel. Forget about the 1-minute signal channel. I myself, I don't use it. All right. So always make use of the 5-minute signal channel. Then now you should always make use of the OKX. You should always make use of the calculator as well. After you've logged into the 5-minute signal channel, you will come back and use the OKX calculator, because the team, they say that anytime you lose at least 8 times, you can apply for a refund and your money will be refunded to you. But if you don't use the calculator, there is no how that the money is going to be refunded to you. So now, how do you use the calculator? You have to log into the app, and then I'll show you quickly how to use the calculator. But first of all, this is what I want you to understand. Always make use of the 5-minute signal channel. Now, to access the 5-minute signal channel, I'll be dropping the link to this 5-minute OKX signal channel at the video description. Go ahead and log into the OKX channel. All right, go ahead and log into this channel at the video description. After you've logged into the channel, this is you now be making use of their signal channel. You can see that the signal channel is always dropped once. Okay, the signal in the 5-minute signal channel is always dropped twice, one in the evening and one in the morning. All right, one in the evening and one in the morning. Okay, let me show you now. The first one is dropped around for, if you're a Nigerian, then you should be entering the first trade around 4 p.m. All right, and this 4 p.m. is 12 a.m. Singaporean time. But here in Nigeria, you should enter your first trade around 4 p.m. As soon as it is 4 p.m., you have to head over to your app and initiate your buy order. All right, that is the first trade. Now the second trade that you need to be entering is around 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, you have to enter. That means that you have to enter the first trade around 4 p.m. and then the second trade around 5 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, not um not a.m. Okay, like trading starts, the trading time is 4 p.m. and 12 a.m. Singapore time, which is 9 a.m. in the morning and 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, sorry, I'm saying that you have to be entering the market around 9 a.m. Nigerian time and then 5 p.m. Nigerian time as well. That is if you are in Nigeria. But the market always open around 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Singapore time and 12 a.m. Singapore time. But if you're a Nigerian, or if you're a Nigerian, this is the time that you should be entering the market. 9 a.m. in the morning and then 5 p.m. in the morning. But if you're in any other country, like any other West African country or any other country in the world, just minus this Singapore time, minus this 5 p.m. Singapore time and this 12 a.m. Singapore time, and set your alarm. Whenever that time reaches, you have to enter, go and check in the 5 minute signal Telegram channel and enter the trade immediately. Then you are going to be making profit. I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now that you have known this is what you have to do now. You come right here, okay? This is where the signal will always be dropped. And once the signal is dropped right here, you have to go and enter your sell trade or your buy trade. Then anytime you've entered more than 8 consecutive times, you are seeing losses. Then what you have to do now is to come to this contact Alice. Come to this contact Alice and contact this lady right here. This lady right here, just explain to her that you have lost more than 8 times, and then she is going to demand your UID to confirm if you really follow the calculator. Now, if you don't follow the calculator, nothing is going to be reimbursed. You are not going to be having a refund of your money. But if you actually follow the calculator, which I'm going to be showing you in the next in this video, right here, if you actually follow the calculator, then your money is going to be refunded to you. All right, the lady is going to request your UID, and then you submit your UID to her, and then she will refund your money to you. I hope this is clear enough. Now this is how you use the calculator. Let me show you how to use the calculator now. So this is how to access the calculator. When you log into the OKX trading app, when you log into the OK Trading app, you click on this calculator right here, okay? Now, like I told you, you have to base your calculation based on the amount that you are starting with. If the capital that you are starting with or you deposited into this OK trading platform is, let's say, $100, let's say $100, you have to type $100 there, and then you click on this calculate right here. Okay, pay attention. When once you click on this calculate right here, you scroll down, you will see the steps you need to take, you need to trade. These are all the available lot sizes or sizes that you have to trade. Don't go against these positions. Don't even go beyond these positions. You have to trade them accordingly. Now, what I mean by trading them accordingly is this: your first trade that you are taking, you have to use a lot size of 0.09. Okay, let's say in the morning you came in the morning around 4, for example, 4 a.m. Nigerian time, using the 5 minute candle. The first signal that you are supposed to take should be 0.09. That is why you are seeing 1 here. All right, it should be 0.09 because it has been calculated based on the amount that you have in your phone, that you have in your OK Trading app. It has been calculated. Everything has been calculated for you. So if you go against it, you're on your own. You're not going to be having a refund of your money when you successfully wipe out your account. All right. That is why you have to be strategic, so that when if you follow the calculator based on these sizes that has been given, and you lose your money um after 8 consecutive trade, then just go ahead and ask for a refund. Your money is going to be refunded to you. But I'm assuring you that if you follow this calculator right here, there is no how that you're going to empty your account. Rather, you're going to be making profit. Okay. So now, the first trade, the first trade the AI said you should take, you have to size your position to 0.098. And now, to size your position, you have to come right here. I have already shown you people how to trade using this OK trading platform. Now, if you haven't watched that video on how to trade, go ahead and watch that video first before watching this video, so that I have full understanding of what I'm talking about right here. But first of all, just for the sake of this video, for you to start your trading, you click right here. Okay, you click right here, you tap on it. Now, the first trade said that we should use 0.98, so it means that we are going to click 0.98 right here. Don't go against it. Okay, you click 0.98. Okay, now you see that I've selected 0.98. I didn't go against it. All right, now I've selected 0.98. Then you go over to the signal channel. Then you pay attention to what this odd here is always very important. This odd and the period ID is always very, very important. If you have watched the first video, you should understand what I mean by period ID and this odd. Now, I am going to select the period ID ends at 203, and I am going to select odd. That odd, now I'm going to go back and select odd right here. Okay, I'll click on this odd and select it. Now that I've selected odd, and I've also inserted my lot size based on the calculator, I'll just go ahead and click on trade. All right, you click on trade again, you start trading. All right, now as soon as you click on it, your order is going to be executed automatically. Okay, now let me click on it again. I have activated the profit. I have activated my account now. So now I'll just click on this odd right here, and then you can see the trade has been enabled. So I'll click on trade right here and click on trade again, and the order has been placed successfully. So you wait for it to, after 5 minutes, don't forget that you select this 5 minutes this time frame, or you select this 5 minutes time frame. You select it, and after selecting it, you will come down here and then do the needful. You insert what the calculator gave you. The calculator for our first trade, the calculator give us 0.98, and then our trade trade ID is 203. Then our order is the trade here is odd. So the signal channel told us to select odd. So we'll come here based on what the signal channel told us. We select odd, and we select what the calculator gave us, and then we will now select 5 minutes, and then we are good to go. You can now go ahead and hit that trade button, and then the trade is going to be executed automatically. Then this is what you have to be doing. Okay, this is what you have to be doing. All right, you have to take your time to understand this video right here, because I'm not going to post this video again. This is the second time I'm posting this video, and some people are saying they don't understand. So this has made everything well understood. All right, so that is how you trade using the signal channel. So you now head back after the first trade has been taken in the morning. You will now wait in the evening, then you still do the same thing again, over and over again, until you stack your money. All right, so now you come down here. For you to place the second trade, you click right here, you go back to the calculator. What the calculator gave us was what? Let's see what the calculator gave us. Now we deposited $100, and we hit that calculate button. Now the second trade that we are supposed to be following is this 0.2. We are supposed to use 0.2 when placing the second trade, and the third trade
we are going to use 0.6. You dare not go against this calculator. If you go against this calculator, you are on your own. All right. I hope this video was very, very helpful enough. Okay. All right. So in case you have any question, you can leave them at the Telegram discussion group, or you can still leave them at the video comment section. And don't forget to like and share if this video was very, very helpful to you. See you in the next video. Let's start this money together. Bye for now.